Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Wi-Fi setting in a Realme phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you forget guys your Wi-Fi network guys, which network guys you have connected in your Realme phone, and friends you want to forget it. So guys you can forget, and guys now let's see how to forget Wi-Fi network in a Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys forget your Wi-Fi network guys? Open your phone setting to forget it. So as you can see this type of setting, and guys you can see guys your Wi-Fi settings. So fans tap here to forget. So you can see guys we have connected this Mukesh Wi-Fi, but guys we want to forget it. So guys how can we forget guys? You can see guys right side this icon. So fans tap here. Guys you can see remove this network. So fans tap here to forget. So guys this Wi-Fi will forget guys, you cannot use. Guys you want to use, so you will have to guys again enter password, then guys you can use this Wi-Fi, otherwise not. So I hope friends you have understood how to forget Wi-Fi network in a Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.